Hello friends, welcome to my another video. Today I am going to discuss about PTE reading fill in the blanks. In this video I am discuss about tips and tricks how to solve fill in the blanks watch till end. Understand the context is very important and very important understand the passage talking. After that you have to focus on grammar and lastly you have to elimination method. In this video how I will approach that passage, what are the right answer method, tricks and strategies. Without for a delay, let's get started. Is the first passage, you can pause the video, take 2 or 3 minutes, solve it, then it will discuss. First thing which I do it, read the passage and skim, get the understand the passage, what the passage about, very important talking about. The electron that orbit closest to nucleus are strongly. Electron orbit closest to nucleus or strongly. Dash full stop. There are called bound electrons. The electrons that are farther away from the pull of nucleus can be dash out of the dash. These are called free electron. Free electron can be moved from atom to another. This movement is known as electron flow. Electricity is the movement or flow of electron from one atom to another. The electron that orbit closest to the nucleus are strongly dash. Angles disclose, attract, force, sustain and orbit. Strongly form, attract, ed. Strongly attract. The electrons that are further away from pull of nucleus can be dash out of the dash, can be dash out of the dash. Here given in clue out of there first started is angle out of there, disclose out of there, force out of there, force out of there, sustain, orbit. Yeah, force to out of there, can be nucleus, can be force to out of there, out of the dash. These are called free electron. Out of their sustain, yeah, disclose, angle, yeah, orbit, out of their orbit. So understand. So let's get, I will be submitted. Yeah. For the first time, Japanese researchers have dashed a real life experiment that show how some traffic jams appear no apparent reason. For the first time, Japanese researchers life experiment show he is doing traffic jams appear no apparent reasons. They placed 22 vehicles on a signal track and asked the driver to dash around a constant speed of 30 kilometers an hour. 22 vehicles on a single track, drivers to dash around constant speed of 30 kilometers an hour. At first traffic moves dash, but soon the distance between cars started to vary. Vehicle clumped together at point of the track, but the jams dash backward around the track like show rate of about 20 kilometers an hour. He told, but the jams dash backward around the track like a shock wave to rate of about 20 kilometers an hour. Real life jam move backward at about the same speed. For the first time, Japanese researchers have first ed 10 grammar rules. Already I am discussing previous videos about how to solve fill in the blanks. Go and watch grammar rules. In this dash, have is a first form, conduct, ed form. Here a real life experiment that shows that the some traffic jams no apparent. There placed 22 vehicles single track, driver to dash around, driver to dash sustained, cursive smoothly around, spread around, tramped around, dangle is not, sustain also, sustain around is also not. Deciding to the business school is perhaps the simplest part of what can be a complicated process. With the nearly 600 accredited MBA program on dash around the world, business school simplest part of what can complicated process. Nearly MBA program are 600 accredited on dash around the world. We study over mean explain how to dash the right school and course and can unravel application funding process properly dash the people of applying business school or a point in the careers where they know their dash to shake things up, don't know exactly want to their professional lives. So in this passage talking about business school, when you get MBA program is offering around the world, then we study over me we explain how to dash right school and course and reveal application of funding process. When you are admission and right to school you can standard accept hold the right no choose the right school and course. How to choose the right school and course, probably the dash of people applying to business school at a point in the career, and probably the dash of people majority of people minority want to of people majority of people to business school at a point career. Then where they know dash to shake things up, don't know exactly with their professional life, he don't know their want to shake things up, standard accept hold to shake reprieve to shake minority to shake want to shake criteria, then know where there know their want, here is given in there know their want to shake things up. If that the case with you look at other dash culture teaching method location and the pick a place that good fit of your with a strong general manager program. Super defined career goals don't have to part of this process. If she case you look at that other dash culture minority deprive hold culture standard culture, look at their teaching method criteria, you follow must rules and regulations in the strong management in business school, you follow must criteria culture. Yeah friends, I am discussing in this video three fill in the blanks and solve it in video, so please like and share and subscribe my YouTube channel.